Hello my dear viewer, hope you are doing well. I want us to look at how to make men's senator wear, also known as men African wear. Quickly, we shall be looking at how to sew this senator top and also how to cut and sew the sleeves as well. If today is your first time visiting this channel, oh my god, you are welcome to this wonderful channel. In this channel, we eat, we drink, we breathe, we sleep, we talk, we learn, we practice everything fashion, everything tailoring, everything sewing, and everything DIY. You definitely need to subscribe and be part of this wonderful family. Okay, let's get started. This particular piece of fabric right here is for the back of our senator. I've gone ahead to put it on fold, and this other fabric piece is for the front. It was also put on fold just as the back was put on fold. I'll go ahead and put the front piece on top of the back piece this way, and I'll align everything. Now the back and the front piece shouldn't be the same, and the difference is the back must be about 4 inches longer than that of the front. I'm going ahead to trim off part of the front piece to ensure that the back piece is 4 inches more than that of the front piece this way. This side, I'll be marking my shoulder measurement divided by 2 plus half an inch for the joining allowance. From that shoulder point, I'll come down by 2.5 inches to get my shoulder slope. So I'm going to be connecting it this way. The first thing I'll do is to just cut it off. When that is done, I will drag the front piece to align with the back piece this way, so that 4 inches will now come up this way. I'll go ahead and fold it this way. It should overlap the front piece by half an inch. I'll go ahead and just press that down. I'll mark my shoulder divided by 2 on this side and on this other side. Mostly my armhole, I just use my shoulder divided by 2 as my armhole. I'll divide my chest circumference by 4, add 1 inch for ease, and also add about 2 inches for my sewing allowance. When I'm done, I'll find the midpoint of my armhole, step in by half an inch, and connect it this way to join with this other side. I also go ahead and join this other side to this side, and this one will serve as the armhole for the back. I shall be marking exactly the length of my senator top. For the neckline on this side, I'll mark 2.5 inches. This other side too, I'll mark 2.5 inches. I'll just go ahead and connect it to form something like a semicircle. I'll measure to see if it is equal to my neckline. It wasn't equal. Let me just increase it a little bit. I'll first of all lift this side for the back, cut it this way to the other way. Please, when you are cutting this place, you must be careful. If not, you ruin your fabric and you'll not be able to do anything about it. So cut it just as I've illustrated. When you're done, we come to the armhole. First of all, cut the back area first. Now we go ahead and trim off the front piece too as well. This is how it's going to look like. I'll go ahead and just come in by 1 inch this way. You know the sewing allowance was 2 inches allocated for this senator. I shall be taking away 1 inch this way. I'll come to the hem of the senator, step up by 8 inches. I'll trim off 1 inches to join it this way. I'll measure the armhole all around this way. This will help me to be able to cut my sleeve. Now I'll go ahead and open it this way. I'll put the front on top of the back, right side facing each other. I'll go ahead and first of all join the 2 shoulders. Let's go ahead and cut our sleeves. We are going to measure around the arm of the senator. Wherever we get there, we just minus 1 inches and use it to cut the width of our sleeves. This side, I'll step down by 4 inches, make a curve. For the length of my sleeve, which was 24 inches, I shall be subtracting 3 inches. That will serve as the cuff. My cuff is going to be 3 inches and I'll be marking 21 inches as the length of the sleeve. Come to the hem of the sleeve, mark my wrist circumference divided by 2, add 1 inch for pleats and also add another 1 inch for the sewing allowance. This fabric piece is going to be used for the cuff. For the cuff, which was 3 inches, I just went ahead to cut 5 inches on fold, which means 10 inches. When I'm done, I'll trim off all other excesses, leaving the allowance. Now let's move ahead and just cut everything out. At this point, if you enjoy watching the video, then just appreciate that by clicking on the like button. You could share to your fellow students or other groups. I'm going to measure around the sleeve this way to ensure that it is equivalent to that of the armhole of the senator. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so. I think this is another opportunity for you to do so. Here I've gone ahead to join the 2 shoulders already. If you want me to film a video on how I made the design on this outfit, kindly leave that in the comment section. These are the sleeves I've prepared off camera. And this is also what I'll be using to pipe the neckline. I think I have a video on this channel on how to make sleeves. Kindly check that out after this video. The first thing I'll do is I'll go ahead and pipe the neckline. Attach my zipper, which is invisible zipper, on this side. I shall also join my sleeve this way, come to this side of the other sleeve and also join it that way. When that is over, I will come stitch my sewing allowance, which was 1 inch, to this side and also stitch 1 inch to the other side. At this side, I'll use my hemming gum to finish it up neatly. That's by gluing it together this way, and on the other side I will do same over there. At the hem, I'll fold in 1 inch and use the hemming gum to also glue that. Once I was done pressing it down, I'll take it to my sewing machine, overlock the edges and stitch the hem. And boom! That is it. Everything was set, everything was done, and it looked gorgeous. Look at that. Just take A critical look at this. This is what we call neat finishing. It was given. Look at the stitch. Look at the armhole. Look, take a look at the sleeve blankets. Wow, look at that. I'm yet to go and then insert the button. Look at inside. Everything was neatly done. Look at the inside too. You won't see anything like unprofessionality. Everything was looking professional. My dear viewer, thank you for sticking and staying with me until this very end. See you in my subsequent videos.